We are going to do a braid today, and we are not going to use a hair tie or anything except our own hair to secure it at the end. This is a great way to braid your hair. You can braid your entire head this way if you're at the gym or something and you forgot a hair tie. I usually use these braids to put small little braids in my hair, especially if I have beach waves or something going on. I decided to do it in straight hair today because it's going to be the easiest way to see what I'm doing, but maybe another time I will do a beach wave tutorial and throw some braids in and show you the look that I like to go. It's very, you know, Mamma Mia, but this is the braid that you can do, and it looks better in my opinion than having a big chunky hair tie tied at the bottom of a little delicate braid. So we are just gonna take a section of hair and you're gonna start off like a normal braid. I mean, it is a normal braid. It's nothing crazy. You're gonna start off with just a section of hair, whatever section of hair you wanna braid, and you're gonna break that into 3 pieces. Obviously, this does require that you know how to do a basic braid. If you don't know how to do a basic braid, I can link a tutorial that shows you how to do that. So you're gonna take your 3 strands of hair, but you're not gonna fuss about separating them at the bottom. Just separate them at the top. Let the hair at the bottom just do its thing, and it's going to start to tangle. It's gonna look like on the ends as you braid your hair, but you're just gonna let it. You're not going to separate the hair. I just lost that piece. Where did it go? There it is. You're not going to separate your hair all the way down. We're going to move all that out of the way. You're going to let those hairs do what they do on the ends while you focus on braiding the top and try not to grab hairs from underneath like I keep doing. It's actually really hard to see what I'm doing in my camera as opposed to in the mirror, but I want to give you guys the best view possible. So I'm just braiding, and you can see that the bottom is kind of braiding / tangling itself up. That's okay. Don't worry. It is what is supposed to be happening. So you're just going to braid all the way down. Keep going, keep going, keep going, until you basically can't go any further, until you kind of, the 2 ends, the top end and the bottom end, kind of meet together. It'll be somewhere towards the bottom, middle bottom, that kind of area. Just keep going. Now, the closer you get together, the harder this next part is going to be. So I'm not going to go too close. I'm going to leave myself a good space, because when you're trying it out, having a good wide space to work with is going to make it easier. So now you're kind of left with a hole where the hair is kind of tangled at the bottom, and now you've got a hole. So you open up the hole, take those ends, flip it in on itself through the hole, and there you go. And now, don't worry about how messy it is, because again, this is what I do in my like beachy braids and whatnot. I don't want a tight little braid, so I'm just gonna pull and mess him up to make it look cuter. And there we go. You can imagine how cute a few of these little braids in your beach waves would be, and it really, truly stays together. This will not come out. But not to fear, it's also not that hard to get out. Let me show you. You'll simply just gently pull the hairs at the bottom. Don't pull them. If you feel tension and you pull, you're gonna tighten knots. So if you feel tension, you wanna pull in a different direction until the hairs just let go. Letting go of all those knots, and then you'll just get to the normal braid. And you just undo it like normal. That's easy, so easy. If you can do a braid, you can do that. So now let me show you how to do it on your whole head. If you're at the gym or something and you forgot your hair tie, I'll show you how that works. There we go. My hair is braided. This would stay in all day. I've actually done this in dance classes when I forgot my hair tie and I want my hair up off my neck. It will last the whole time, even through a vigorous dance class. And yeah, it is just a really easy, fun way. And honestly, this is one of those things that actually works better if you have less hair. It's a little harder to do the full braid, at least if you have thick hair. Obviously, if you're just doing little braids, that's the same no matter what. But it is a fun little hack for you to try. Let me know in the comments if it works out for you, or if there's any other videos that you would like me to make for you. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope that helps, and I hope to see you back in my next video because I do post 3 every single week. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss any. Bye, guys.